Hello, Samantha Bradshaw here with Chemistry 1 News. This just in, improper lab safety is underway in Mrs. Snelling's room at Jeffersonville High School. It has just been reported that Kieran Carr is disregarding proper lab etiquette while performing a titration lab. Reporter Thomas Bymore is on the scene to give up-to-date details on this developing story. Off to you, Thomas.
I'm here live at Jeffersonville High School where students in Miss Snelling's classroom are performing a titration lab. A titration visually shows the equal number of moles of acid and base with an indicator at the endpoint. But student Kieran Carr has disregarded all laboratory safety in her chemistry class that she has learned throughout the year. Here she is. Live from Miss Snelling's room, we have Kieran Carr here. We're about to do a titration lab.
I'm gonna do a titration dance.
Okay, and then, so she, has her hair down. It's endangering her hair from getting into the chemicals, exposing her to the toxicity and corrosiveness. She is gonna add the indicator, which she put way too many drops in. You only need to put 1 to 2 drops at the most. And she is swirling it with her hand, bare hand, no gloves or goggles. And she puts the chemicals on her arms. She is gonna drink it. Audience, she just drank chemicals from inside the lab. This is very, very bad, improper lab safety etiquette. We're here in Miss Snelling's classroom learning how to do titrations with star student Josie Knoll. She has on her goggles and she has on her gloves and her hair is up, so no contact with the chemicals is possible. She is then going to show us how to add a couple drops of indicator into the basic solution, and we're going to see what will happen. She adds a couple of drops, 1 to 2 at the most. She's going to wait to see if a color change occurs. As you can see, the liquid gets to a uniform consistency. And now she is now going to waft, not smell, the chemicals. Reporting live from Jeffersonville High School, my name is Thomas Bymore. Back to you, Sam.
Thanks, Thomas. After watching Kieran and Josie perform their titrations, we were shown the correct things to do while in the lab. Next time you are in the lab, make sure you follow the guidelines given by Josie, not Kieran. Tune in next week for how to perform a chromatography lab. Good night.